So what I'm going to show you now is how can you know if this, what is the forward, up, and right vector of this object. You see these red, green, and blue arrows. Those are called axis or basis vectors. So how are they calculated? So first we create a matrix and we rotate it by the object rotation that we want the object to be rotated with, or its current rotation. Then, in order to take the forward, up, and right vector of the object, we will take the column, because Unity is column major. So the first column in Unity is x-axis. So it's a basis for x-axis. Second column is y-axis. It's a up vector. And the third column that most game programmers need is forward vector, and that's the third column in the matrix. So basically this is how it looks like. If I press play and go to scene, you can see a forward, up, and a right vector. But what if I rotate it? If I rotate it and press play, it will also rotate, as you can see here, forward, up, and the right. So basically you can use this forward vector, for example. You can do a dot product with the forward vector and the vector going from this test object to the NPC, to some other NPC in the game or some object in the game. And you can know if this NPC is facing that object or not. So this is one trick. And basically what this tells us is that each column in column major matrices like Unity has is a basis vector. If Unity was a row major matrix, this will not be get column, it will be get row 0, get row 1. So it's basically a basis vector. I hope this helps you.